Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group's chat history private for new members, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to hide chat history in your Telegram group using the PC app. This is perfect for admins who want to make sure that when someone new joins, they can't scroll back and see all the previous conversations. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed for the best experience. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group privacy settings, so make sure you have the right permissions. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control various aspects of your group. In the management settings, look for the option labeled Chat History for New Members. Click on it. This is where you decide what new members can see when they join your group. You'll notice 2 choices, Visible and Hidden. To prevent new members from accessing past messages, select Hidden. This ensures that when someone joins your group, they'll only see messages sent after they became a member. All previous chat history will remain hidden from them. After you've selected Hidden, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your group's privacy and made sure that new members can't browse through old conversations. This feature is especially useful for groups that discuss sensitive topics or simply want to keep things tidy for newcomers. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, share it with other Telegram admins who might benefit from this quick privacy tip. Enjoy managing your group with confidence and peace of mind.